All right. Hi, everybody. Carlos here. Just wanted to go over some of what I did today in the stock market. I wanted to go over one trade in particular, YALA, YALA. Today, I happen to be looking through my potential reversal trades. For me, a reversal trade is stocks that have dropped over 10% at the beginning of the trading day that have been trending upward for a period of time before that, and have dropped on little or no news. So I was looking at my scanner, and YALA popped up, and I switched over to the daily to take a look. And I noticed that this stock had indeed been trending up for a while, and was forming a big red candle in the morning, which caught my attention. It was down, I think, 12% when I saw it, and started to look at it. So I followed it for a bit, and noticed it continued to drop. And what I was looking for was a sign of a reversal, anything that indicated that this might turn around. And what I've been hoping for is that it would reverse, about half of the way back up to where it had started. That's what I was looking for. This is meant to be a quick trade. It's not meant to be held on to for longer than 15, 20, 30 minutes at max. Definitely wasn't going to hold it all day, and it was not an overnight hold. So what I did was I waited for this to drop. I started noticing some consolidation down here at the bottom, and then I was just looking for an entry. And my first sign was this red hammer candle right here, this hammer candlestick. And once I saw that, I started looking for an entry point. This is a reversal sign after a long drop here. This is a good indication that it may turn around. And my first thought was to enter the first 3 or 5 minute candle that made a new high. I was looking at my 3-minute chart. So right around here, I started to put in my entry, and I think I ended up getting in right at 1342. So as soon as this candle made a new high, I hopped on. That turned out to be a good call, because within 15 minutes, it had shot up, or actually less than that, within 9 minutes is my 3-minute chart. It had shot up to about 1390, and I let it continue to ride up to the VWAP. This orange dot here that I have dashed out is my VWAP indicator. That's a strong point of resistance or support most days for stocks. For if you're doing any intraday trades, this is something you're going to want to have on your chart. And I noticed that it hit that resistance and immediately fell back down. And I almost got out of it right away, but I let it go a little bit longer, and it hit it again and immediately dropped back down. That was my sign that it was probably done, and I had written this about as far as it was going to go. So I sold right here at 1397. So I had a nice little 5% profit here, roughly, in the span of 9 or 12 minutes, which was nice. And then that was it. I left, and I left the stock alone the rest of the day. I came back to it at the end of the day and noticed that it never actually got back above the VWAP, so that was a good call. Sometimes they do, and if they do reclaim or recapture VWAP, then there's a good chance that it'll just continue. But the VWAP was the point of resistance today for this stock. So anyways, that was all I wanted to share. Quick 10 minutes there, 5%. Good morning, good way to start the morning. Love to find those opportunities if I can. Just one of the few trading strategies I use during the day. All right, see you next time.